Kind of go to your camera you've got right there?
Yeah, the big fat ones.
I don't have anything that takes this.
What? Oh, special. You got a gold egg?
I start going one direction, they say, look at that tree, and then the whole
Find another one? Good job. Where? Get it! Where?
Hey, Piper. You getting eggs?
I'd love to share some of my food. I don't have any. Oh!
Bring it to your basket, Piper. Get it and bring it over to your basket.
How many eggs are there? 200.
Kennedy, I bet you get the biggest prizes of anybody, don't you?
You get your hands out of there. Don't bust them open yet.
She's opening them and eating them. She's the only one hunting up here because Elijah went to sleep.
Elijah went to sleep?
Yeah.
That sucks.
I know, that's what I said. I said, why don't we look at a little bit? Sorry.
Did you say go here? Like, get eggs up there?
Yeah, bring your baskets and come up here.
We're going to stay outside to count eggs today. You're not allowed to get the eggs up here.
Yeah, you're not allowed to get eggs. Okay. They don't need help.
Let's start counting.
Count your eggs.
Count number open.
Count them.
Count.
How many did you get? 32. 32.
We need a good piece of paper.
You need to open your special egg. No.
No.
Why?
I got
Don't open yet. Let's all count. Let's all
I got
count.
26. I got 21.
Everybody remember your number. We're going to
How
get a
about
piece
Gary's
of
getting
paper.
a piece of paper?
Did anybody else find an egg like this? There were just a few.
I got it.
We're four. Okay. Those are special ones. Yeah.
He went to get a
I got one with
piece of
30.
paper.
I got 30. I got 21. I got 30.
Oh.
You got
Well, if she wants to, we can hide those eggs up here too.
No, there's a snake in my egg.
God.
What? Did you?
There's a snake in it. Open it. I looked in the hole.
Open it and see.
Where'd it go? Oh, it's,
He's about wiped out.
now we turn into a PETA case.
You guys really gave me that snake and it's not dead?
I think it's dead.
It was alive before.
It was alive.
Where?
We suffocated him.
Where?
Right there.
Here, move.
That orange
I
thing.
opened up and my freaking
He's
thing
alive.
flipped.
Oh my god.
He just wore out.
He's just playing dead.
That's a wheel? I thought it was. Can I have it? Oh my gosh.
No, it was running out everywhere a while ago.
Yeah, he's probably just scared because there's so many people.
He damaged.
No, don't do that.
Boy, he jumped when you kicked at him, didn't he?
Yeah.
Don't step on him, though.
Oh my gosh, I thought that was like a fake snake.
Yeah, that's a red-headed poison snake.
Oh, okay.
Don't get bit by that, baby. I don't know what it is. I don't like that it's all
Why
bright
does
orange.
that have
Even though we try to give it to a child.
It's pretty.
Yeah, it's very pretty.
Yeah, I think
That sucks. I saw her looking through that hole.
I know. I was like, she's gonna know exactly what's in there when she looks through that hole.
8, 9, 10,
what would be cool if that snake would be in there doing this when she through the hole.
It's too bad it didn't work out.
We took the money out and put the.
Sarah Elizabeth, we need to get a roller on your tail.
So I can put him in it.
He said no, he did.
He does not. Okay.
You're disrupting.
You can toss him. It's not going to hurt him.
I think he bit the
I want to keep him.
No, we're not keeping him.
Can I put him in a?
No.
I can't put him in a jar.
I'd rather him not die. It's a very pretty snake.
Daddy wants to tape you hunting your Easter eggs.
With your hair all in your face.
Okay, go ahead and open your eggs up.
Get your basket, babe. Hey, Piper. Hey, come here. Do you see the special egg? Look, come here. Look, right here. Come here and look. There's a special egg. Right here. Right here, baby. Yeah.
Well, there's a snake in there.
Did you hear her? She goes, there's a snake in there. Come on, baby.
There's a snake in here. Piper, where's your basket?
Put him in your basket.
Put me your basket.
Get your basket.
Piper, Mommy has your basket.
Hey,
Piper, Mommy has your
None of the eggs
basket.
have made it to the basket.
Mommy has your basket.
What's that pile over there?
Here, put this.
Once Piper opened and ate.
There's a YouTube.
Well, if you had it,
Hey, don't tear the new shoes off.
too late.
Did you see her fall? Come here. Come here.
Put the eggs in your basket.
So, are we going to take the kids' eggs and put your money in?
Look, there's lots of eggs. Get them. Get them.
oh, how cute is this?
Come on. You can't be careful.
Oh, okay.
Here. Is there one right there? Get it. Put it in your basket.
No, put it in your
Put it
basket.
in your basket and we'll open them up inside. Here, take your basket.
She is not having anything to do with this
You want to
basket.
put your egg in there? Go get that one too. Get that one. You're a nut. Look, look in here. Put it in the basket.
She got that gold egg. She goes, there's a snake in there.
Here, go this way. Don't go that way. Come this way. We didn't put any over there.
Okay, baby, come back here.
Look at all those eggs.
Hey, I see one down there. Down there. Look, I see a lot of eggs down there.
There's some eggs down there. You want to go get them?
Hey, look behind you. Look beside you. There's more back there, baby. What about right here? Oh, I guess you got them already. What about that egg right there? Right there. We're going to watch this film in about 20 years and be like, God, look at the crap we wore back then. Look at our hairstyles.
Are you going to share some with Elijah since she's sleeping?
Well, we're going to leave those over there.
Okay. Do you want to leave some more for him?
No, I think there's plenty.
Okay.
Snooze, you lose. His own exclusive Easter egg hunt.
I just picked them up.
We're going to go inside. Okay. Unless
There you go. You ready to go inside?
Come on, Piper. Let's go. Open your eggs.
Yeah.
Wow!
Wow. Let's go open them.
You tell him Elijah's asleep. I don't think he knows.
Oh,
Number 2.
Get up. There you go.
Sarah's going nuts over those shoes scraping on the concrete, aren't you?
You all that together regularly? Try.
Thank you, sir.
That's why I get everything
Thank you.
I buy from her. No crackers.
Wasn't a big step.
Here, Piper. Come here.
Hey, that's not fair. That one was empty.
Hello, Sue. How are you?
I'm doing fine.
Yeah, you should have told me that. I'm in your ear now.
I'm leaving. Give me a hug.
Okay.
Love it. I think I see the boy. Had him. Took him to Montana.
Montana Mike's, huh?
Mike, is it time to eat? Yeah. You a bottle of candy?
Hey. No.
Look at that. Candy.